Today we're making burgers. Well, not this kind of burger.
I call it a burger with mushroom buns instead of bread.
One's with these bad boys. The beef brains I had for this recipe is frozen, so I'm gonna use steak. I'm gonna call him Fred because his name is Fred. Get it, Karen. Make it rain. Slap it down. Next we're gonna prepare our mushrooms.
Honey, you don't have to do this.
It must be done. Son, you too will have this job one day.
Go get him, Daddy.
I will, son. Make sure to moisturize the mushrooms. They look thirsty. Yum. Tuck them in, good night. To prevent the mushrooms from having a farmer's tan, make sure you flip them over on the other side. If your mushroom cracks, don't worry. You can use some all-purpose food repair for this. We're gonna give this bad boy some steak seasoning, and we're gonna set these boas on the side. Give them a flip. Nice char right there, boys. Give them one of these. A pisto de resistance. Let's get it, boys. A little bit of cracked cocaine, flake salt, some secret sauce, some more secret sauce, some Orego Tango, some red stuff, some green stuff, some dead cow, some more fancy sauce, cucumber, and put it in the microwave. Now you get a pickle, some pickles. Done.
I had so many great ideas to call this one, but I decided to give it the most creative one I could come up with. I call it a burger with mushroom buns instead of bread.
This goes really good with the side of my healthy fries. From taste and texture, they're basically like regular fries, but they're just the opposite. Taste test. That's good, bro. Time for the healthy fries?